Concrete repair seems simple, but one wrong move can ruin the job. Let's look at 9 common mistakes to avoid. First, using the wrong product. Self-leveling sealant is great for driveways, but it will just run down a vertical wall. Mistake number 2 is skipping the cleaning. Dust, grit, and old filler will prevent the new sealant from sticking. Third, filling too deep without a backer rod. Deep gaps waste product and often fail to cure properly. Don't use a rigid patch in a moving joint. The concrete will move, and your repair will just crack again. Ignoring water is a big one. Leaking foundation cracks need a structural fix, not just a cosmetic filler. Don't repair during bad weather. Rain, freezing cold, or extreme heat will ruin the bonding process. Be patient. Driving on a repair too soon is a recipe for disaster. Driveway fillers need time to cure. Mistake 8. Expecting invisible results. Most fillers will stay visible, especially on older concrete. Finally, trying to save concrete that's already failed. If it's spalling or settling, you might need a professional replacement. Avoid these mistakes, and your concrete will look great for years to come. Happy DIYing! For full details on the best concrete crack filler for driveways, patios, and large cracks, check out our article at gardenfrontier.com. The link is in the description.